capital is more important than making money. And you want to lock in your trades, and you also want to protect your downsides at the same time.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another edition of American Dream Trading's live futures education and trading broadcast. This is an outreach of American Dream Trading, which is founded by, is owned by, is managed by, is ran by, is incorporated into a legal corporation by Chad Christian, who we affectionately call Coach. Glad you could be here today. My name is Mark McC. I'm one of the more, 20 moderators we have here at, I should count them someday, 20 moderators we have here at American Dream Trading that help keep this corporation running 24/7. Glad to have you here with us. You know the routine. If this is your first time being with us, make sure you click them subscribe buttons. Also, click that share button right now. I'm watching. I want to see how many people share it today, including our paid members who are on a live Zoom call. There are still approximately 60 of them in here, so I should see at least 58 shares to their social media. It should show up right here. And share that feed out to everybody. Also, click your notification buttons so that you don't miss any of our upcoming broadcasts. We are live here 3 times a day. Coach is live from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. I'm live from 2 to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. And then we have the aftermarket show with our lovely host, Dawn, who's herself in her own right is a great educator and trainer and host of the aftermarket show starting at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. You will find that show over on our YouTube channel, American Dream Trading, where you'll also find over 3,200 videos that you can watch. They're all training videos, is what I meant to say, that you can watch 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at your leisure. We give that to you for free. If we give that to you free, imagine what we do for our paid membership. Anyhow, got back in the nick of time to go live. I had some stuff to take care of, and so I took care of my stuff. Did a quick walk around the block. All right, let me get my charts all resituated. Let's see here. We got ES trying to break to the upside here after the pullback. It has breaking out of this channel on a 2-minute chart. All right, so we're right now at a critical level, actually, even though I don't have a line there. I can see I could put one there, right? Right here's where these are all at. It'll pop me a line right there. I don't need that kind of line. Let me change that just to my old standard line. Oops, wrong one. Wrong button. And a solid line. Here we go. Anyway. So I'm at the top of I wouldn't go as far as call it a cup, but it did round back up. A beat up cup, maybe a sideways shoe. I don't know. Whatever you want to call that little design there. It's coming back up to a micro double top here, right? Triple quad top right now, if you count all 3 of these, right? So it's a critical level. Let's see if we can break and hold above this level. We have broke. Let's see if we can manage to hold it, though. Holding it's a different story. We'll see. If so, we're going to be able to carry on to this next level up here. See if we can get about in there. There's another little minor top there that we got to deal with, let alone that one up here. So anyway, we'll watch and see here what this is going to do for a few minutes. Are we going to continue on? Are we going to carry on, my wayward son? Will there be peace? I don't know. We'll see.
When you are gone.
When you are gone. That's what I was waiting on. Somebody to finish my lyric for me. See it if you're paying attention. And you were.
I'm in.
All right. I think I'll just go ahead and lock in that 14,000 now because I ain't got time to watch this all day. You know what I mean? You know what I'm going? You picking up what I'm putting down?
You know what I'm saying? Come
you know
on.
what I'm saying? There we go. Rode that baby up from the, well, not cleared from the bottom, but that breakaway there. You know, I thought I'd just pop in a quick one there while I was setting up the system. Bang, bang.
Hey, Mark.
Yes, sir.
6E, the euro, new high day.
New high day. I ain't looked at the euro
Right.
forever. You know that?
Yes, go look at the
I've
last
fallen
5
out of love
days.
with the currencies for some reason. I don't know why. Let's
Go
go
look at
take a
the
look
last.
anyway. Doesn't matter whether I've been trading it presently. Let's go take a look. Look at that. Take it the dollar was way down today because the currencies are up. Look at that. On 18. Whew. Man, that thing did go up, didn't it?
Yes,
Remember when we was all
because it was
excited when
just
it was
that 116.
116?
Yeah.
I'll look at it. Wow. Did you play any of that today? Any currencies?
I had got in the Australian dollar, but I had
Oh, that's
fell
right.
into a
You did
coma
say that.
earlier.
Yep.
Yeah, I was in a coma earlier.
Yeah, we know.
I missed this euro. I missed it. I waited on it patiently too because they had a pullback, but
Uh-huh.
I lost it. I got my pops calling me. Let me see what he want.
What's Bobby doing over there on the YouTubes? He's over there supporting us. He's a new Diamond member. He's one of our newest Diamond members, Doug. He's over there helping us out on the YouTubes. There we go. There's Doug saying hi to Bobby. Oh, look at it. We're all like one big family around here, right? Some of us would prefer some of the other ones to be put up for adoption, but other than that, we're a pretty big family around here. I ain't proud. There's a couple in our group I'd like to see put up for adoption, but they can pay members.
Wait a minute.
What? There's one of them speaking now. I'll tell you what. Speak of the
Why,
devil. That's one of them I had in mind. All right. Anyway, we're here at this nice little level here at that 69. Might as well call it 69.50 mark. Nice little round number. Strong resistance right here. Now it's support because it pulled back down to it. Can it hold its own up here or not? Or is it going to collapse out? I'm going to put that on a 1-minute chart. It's what I'm going to do. Before I go seeing what I want to do, I just got out of this trade for real. Let's see if we can do some more here. And we want to go to the upside or not. I don't know. We can do anything we want to do. All I got to do is click my little mouse button over there, When I click my mouse button, oops, what do I got going on here? We got to reset this up here. Hang on. One moment. I forgot they changed this. You got to go in here and do all this garbage now. I tell you what, I don't like this new setup right here. All right, we're gonna jump in late. Okay, that's not gonna be good for me, but we'll jump in late. The heck you mean it's canceled? Let me see what's going on for this account. Hang on a minute. I don't know what the issue is. Don't know. Let me see here. Try that again. Market order. Let me switch this back here. Let's go back to here. Yeah, see, they updated this program here. There's little things you gotta with now. Okay, what's going on here? You do new. There's an error here, something. What's going on? Should have filled that order.
What are you doing?
I don't know. For some reason, it doesn't want to fill my orders. It says the stop loss was canceled. I don't know.
Rude.
Don't make any sense to me either. A little thing filed. Stop loss order placed on ES rejected. What? Hang on. We'll figure it out. Hang on. One moment. All right, here we go. Let me reset this. That's probably what needs done. It needs reset. All right, here we go. Kill that. Let me kill that. Go over here. Let me pull that back down out of the road. Stuff's not all in the way. Now I can go up here and go back to my button. Here. This. Oops, I missed my button. Oh, let's lock it up. Yep. Let me reload the tab. Let's try that. My X's and my ones and O's are messed up or something here. Technical difficulty.
Ones and zeros turned into twos and fours.
Something, maybe. Oh, maybe it lost the connection. I don't know. Doug, you have days like this,
Is your
There we
steer
go.
link working?
Let's try this here again. Let's see what we got here. Well, I don't want to buy it to the upside now. It already changed. Good thing I was all screwed up there. I'd have been on a losing trade, Doug. We're going to get a bounce off 21. We'll go ahead. I'm just going to see if this works. All right. It's working again. Whatever the glitch was, it's okay now. So there's the live trade. We'll go right there. See what happens. I'm going to slide this stop. Well, this stop's way too big. Let's go up here. Do that. All right. There we go. What's ATR is only 9. Stop's still too big, but it's all right. We'll leave it there for right now. If I get in a profit, then I might slide it up. This is on S&P 500. Why did I want to get into this one? Well, because it was starting to go up and all the indicators were in their rear view mirror. Blue skies ahead once you get past these little double top things here. And I was going to snag some money between here and this wick up here if it was going to go that far. Oh, we'll see if it does or not. What the orders are. It is a kind of a, let's see. Here we go. All right. By the way, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those down into your social media chat box down there. We'll try to do our best to answer your questions as time allows. Here I am, I'm about 750. Let's make sure we're smashing them like buttons. We want to see us get 32,000 today. Start with 32,000. Now I'm up 750 on this trade. Now I'm up 1,500. Now I'm up 1,500. Now I'm up 11.25. Now I'm down 750. Now I'm up 375. Now 50. See how that's all bounces around there? Yeah. Well, I want to see that bounce up instead of around. Got orders
Sounds
at
like an auctioneer.
953 to the upside. Big orders up at 953. Then it wants to pull it up to. Doesn't mean it'll get there. The 953 would be about right there, right where I said I wanted to go to, pretty much. It looks like 953, right there. That's my target. That's where I see some orders at, sitting there, just waiting to come up and get it. I'll make that yellow so you can see it. How's that? 953s are still up there. I got 162 there, and I got 108 over at 953 and a quarter, 112. So there's big orders up there if they'll just go up there and get them. Right now I'm up through, this thing is so volatile right now, they won't get out of the way and let it fill those orders. 950, got three points upward movement to go yet here. We'll see what happens if those orders even get around to filling. They can cancel them, they can pull them, they can move them out, they can make them larger, they can make them smaller. They're not bona fide orders until they're filled. So here we go. I'm still up 750, up 1,500, up 1,800, 75, up 2,250. I said this was my goal up here, which is right here above those candles, the wicks, and there's some other here. So it wouldn't surprise me if it stops right there where them wicks are at, a little short of the goal, if it will get up there, if they quit throwing orders in there and selling it. Now, see, I could have took that $2,200 or whatever, right? I'm going to let it go. I got to stop down here. Keep it right there below the 200, because if it blows through that, then probably going the other way anyway. 1,100 bucks. 1,500. $1,875. 15. What's the hold up? Let's go. Let's get them orders filled. Get them up there. Them orders are still there at 953 and 953 and a quarter. All it has to do, there's no large orders to pull it down. There it comes up to that yellow line that I told you it was going to go to before it got there. It's not there yet. 953 is that yellow line. Come on, 953, 953 and a quarter. Those orders are still there. And there's some large orders just appeared on 954, 954 and a quarter, which is another point up even higher up here, which would be about the top of these candles over here to the back side. All right, we'll see what happens. Can we get it? Can we get her? I don't know. We'll see. I'm in this trade longer than I want to be already, but, you know, I'm doing this live right in front of your faces. See what we can get out of this. There's a pullback. This ain't good. They don't want to go up to 953, but they just don't know it. That's all. That's my problem. They want to go there. They just don't know it. Right, Doug? They just don't know what they want. They got to listen to me. I'll tell them what they want. Right? People don't know what they want until you tell them. You know, they want to go to 953. People get up there and go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, can you do it? Come on.
You can do it!
Come on. You don't want to make me settle for less than 2,000 here, do you? Come on.
Couldn't hear you, Stream Deck.
Couldn't hear my stream deck. All right.
Nope.
Hang on. Well, I didn't share my sounds down here. And I'm taking away from my tray just so you can hear my sounds, Doug. You're right. It's not on there. There we go. How about now, Doug?
You can do it!
Should be able to hear it that time.
There you go.
There you go. Just got to get there's so many buttons to keep this. There's so much that goes on behind the scenes to run one of these shows. It's unbelievable. Come on, get that 953. It's up there in yellow. I even made it, highlighted it so they would know where to go take it to. Here it comes. There's $3,000. There's $3,750. Come on, 953. Already done told you that's where you're going. Let's go. Made that line 10 minutes ago. Let's go. There it is. Are we going to touch it or not? Come on. I ain't got all day. There's orders at 954 to go up above that would be up here. Come up to about where these candles are at, right? Well, we'll see if it wants to go that high or not. Here we go. There's up 4,000. I'm up 5,000. Let's go. Get up there to 954. That's our next level. Right here's 953, where I said they wanted to go. I think I'm just going to go ahead and take that $4,500 because that was a lot of talking just to get it to do that. Do I want to re-enter? Yeah, I could have stayed in there for that 954, right? We'll go ahead and snag a little bit more of that while we're at it. And let's go. Let's get there. Where's that at now? That is at 954. There we go. Come on up there to the 955, top of the channel. I'm going to take my profit there. $1,875 on top of that. Bang, bang. Bang, bang.
You are watching a master.
There you go. Come on.
Are you not entertained?
Come on.
Are you not entertained?
That's all you got to do. It's that easy. You just click a mouse button and make money all day long. It just falls in your lap. Yeah. It's just so easy. You just got to click a mouse. It's all you got to do. It's like a video game, right, Doug? This is like a video game. All you do is click the mouse. Money falls in your pocket.
All it is.
Just goes right in your bank account. Absolutely not. This is one of the hardest things you could ever do. All right? We'll teach you how to do it, though. You don't want to be doing this. Don't think of what I'm doing here makes it look easy. Why did I know it was going there? Well, training and experience and using the tools available to me, I was able to predetermine. And my light's going to go funky here. Might have a loose wire there or something, Doug. I don't know what's going on. Light's fading in and out. Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's winter storm is approaching. What are y'all going to do for the winter storm? Huh? Hopefully you're going to be watching videos, training videos over on our YouTube channel, American Dream Trading. There's over 3,200 there. You know what would even be better? Was to get one of them membership right now, today, right? We've been talking about it. You know how do you get that? You know how to get it with 10% off? How would you like $500 off of a membership right now? Pay one time, never pay again. It'll give you $500 off right now. Who wants $500 off? What am I auctioning? I'm auctioning off money in my bank account there, Bobby. Come on, Bobby. There we go. So, anyhow, we have our Diamond Lifetime membership. It is going away this time. Is it this time next week? What day is the 31st next week? I don't have a calendar.
Yeah, 31st of January.
31st of January. Anyway, February 1st, no more Diamond Lifetime memberships will be available for sale for new sales. Ones that already have it, they're locked in. They're great and hanging in there forever. So if you want the $500 off, how would you do that, Doug? How would they do that, Doug? How would they get $500 off a Diamond Lifetime membership? Bang, bang. How?
Well, they'd have to use a promo discount code.
Yeah, you got to know one of the promo discount codes. And guess what one is you can use? The one at the top of your
MARK.
page you see right here. Front of your page. What's it say up there? Use promo code Mark. And I'll even go one step further. If you don't like Mark, that's fine. I don't care. I'm a boomer. I don't have no feelings. You ain't going to make me cry. Don can make me cry, but you guys can't make me cry. You can use even Doug, promo code Doug if you want. You guys like Doug. You know who Doug is. If you like him better than me, then put Doug's name in there. Promo code Doug. Either one of them is going to give you 10% off. All right. Let's go. Class was yesterday, Andre. So sorry, so sad. Not repeatable. That's okay. When's the ADT Academy going to be? I don't know. I don't know what the release date is on that. We're getting close. They're working on it. Soon. How's that? We're that close. That close.
Look at that. Look at that, Mark. When I first came up, when I first woke up, everybody was like, the market crashing. I was like, before Mark get done with this live, it's going to be at a new high.
Yeah, it is.
Look what it's saying, Mark.
Look at that, Ralph. All you got to do is just follow here, Ralph. Don't let anybody else lead you astray. All right?
Uh,
69.64 was the high of the day. Did it hit that?
it's about to
Almost.
take.
Almost.
Ain't hit it yet.
Almost,
Ain't
though.
hit it yet.
It's got about 80%, 95% of it back. So only got to come up to here. All right? There you go. There's a high right up there. Bang, bang. Robert, got your hand up, buddy. What's up? What can we do for you?
Mark, this is where I kind of get stuck in my trading is I've got a gold line on MES at 69.55
Okay.
and it's hit it 3 times. And so I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, should I take it down or should I just wait? This is where I get lost.
Well, I can't offer you financial investment or tax advice on what to do, but if it keeps hitting that gold level, what is that? Is that a triple top? Double top?
It is a triple top.
What usually do you do on resistance?
It's going to go up.
Well, if it's resistance,
puts on resistance, calls on support.
There you go. The old saying, calls on
even at triple, Mark.
Well, depends how fast it hit it. You don't know. You have to wait and see, right?
Okay.
But statistically, what's going to happen when it hits a double or triple top?
It'll drop.
Okay. It'll at least resist, right? That's why we call it resistance. Yep. Now, the quicker that it retests that level, the more likely it is to break through. It's no guarantee, but quick retests. Now, is this a quick retest? Yeah, whatever. You know, all I see is a very strong. I might have my line there at 56, close enough for hand grenades, right? You can see these tops here. I can even move this up a hair if I wanted to. Yeah, well, you got to wait and see, right? This could continue on up. It's on an upward momentum, but, you know, this is a resistance level. So you can play the statistics and think it might reject and go back down, and you can load up accordingly, but you need to be able to switch if you're going to keep playing it to the upside, right? So as you can see, it's consolidated. It don't even know what it wants to do yet, does it?
That's right. So
sideways.
just be patient.
So you need a plan A and you need a plan B, right? What's your entry to the downside? What's your entry to the upside? All right. Don't compromise your entries either. To the upside, we have the top of the channel, right? To the downside, we're going to go down to the middle of the channel, closer down to the 200. So we have two potential points of resistance to profits, impediments to profits. This could actually break through this line and lock up here at the top of this channel. It's not real far, but so maybe do you want to do here, wait till it goes through there? That's up to you. To the downside, I have my level and I can go down in here into the 21, the middle of the channel, down here to the 200, right? Plus any other levels you may have marked. So that's what you have to decide. What is your plan? To go up? What is your plan to go short? You should have two plans. It's a matter of which one are you going to institute. And at one, oh, that's good. Just Tech says Phil's on CNBC. There you go, guys. We was talking about him early this morning. CNBC, my buddy Phil's on there. I don't know him personally. I like the guy. Anyway, for those of you who watch CNBC, Phil's on there. Check him out. Very smart guy when it comes to futures. All right. So get your, oh, wow. He's saying 5,500 on gold by the end of the year. Yeah, I'd turn it on, but my system ain't, I don't think, set up for it. That's all right. I can't. I don't want to watch TV. All right. So there's your downside. What are you doing there, Bob? What are we going to do? What was your decision?
In it. Yep, in it.
All right. That candle started on the shoulder of the previous candle? No, that's a sign of weakness.
No, sir.
But okay, right? Trade to trade. There you go. Can it break and hold to 21? Can you get a slight push back down there? You got a little micro level here. And then, down there to the 200. There you go. Where's it likely to resist that? What's your exit strategy if there is one yet? Oh, you got a level right here. You got the 200, right? Both likely candidates for rejection, right? Support. See what happens. I called it going up live in real time. I'm calling it live in real time on the downside that Mr. Bob's in. There it is. Where did I say? There's the line. There's my support. Look at that. There's the 200. Where'd that wick touch? Right on the 200. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Come on.
Are you not entertained?
Come on.
Are you not entertained?
What more do you want for free?
Is this not why you were here?
Look at that bounce right off the 200. Bang!
Got out at 200,
Bang!
Mark. Thank you.
There you go. That's what you call developing a plan ahead of time, working your plan, and exiting when your plan says to exit. All in real time. Bang, bang. I made money going up. Mr. Bob made money going down. How's that feel, huh? Huh? There you go. There you go. That's how we do it around here at American Dream Trading. How'd that feel, Bob?
Execution.
How did that feel? Real time. Whole
Mark,
world
that
watching.
was $500.
All right. There we go. $500 taking candy from a baby. Making babies cry, taking her candy. Oh. Here's my question, Bob. Did you ride the bounce up? Or did you celebrate patting yourself on the back for making all that money to the downside?
Mark, I was too busy celebrating.
Yeah, I do the same thing. Don't feel bad. But look at all that money. You can make the same amount of money going back up, Bob. Lesson learned, right?
Lesson learned. Stay focused.
Yeah, that's right. Well, it is. But you have to predetermine it. You have to already have that plan in your head. And I don't do it. 3/4 of the time, I forget to do the other way. We get so excited when we make money one way, right? And we're tearing our arm out of the socket, patting ourselves on the back, telling ourselves what a great trader is. We forget to play the opposite direction, right? Well, there you go. You could have doubled your money right there in, 2 minutes? Bang, bang. Write that down in your journal. Make sure you play it both ways. ACDC.
Plan.
There you go. There you go. Taught Bob a lesson in real time that I don't even practice myself on a regular basis. You know, when I do those things is when I predetermine that's what I'm going to do. I set that extra step in my plan. I'm going to play that down to there, and I'm going to catch the bounce off and play it back up to the upside. You pretty much got to tell yourself that's what you're going to do before you do it. Because you don't. You think, all right. You just said, I just made $500. That's fantastic. I just made a car payment. I made my car payment this month. I'm the greatest trader in the world. And you might be. But look at all that. You gave up another $500 going back up to the upside just that fast. Right? So don't forget, folks, with futures, you can go long and you can go short. On stock options, you can go calls and you can go puts. Same thing, right? And especially you ride that donkey and you get all that money, don't be afraid to ride it back down the other way. Fantastic. Good job, Bob. $500 ain't nothing to sneeze at, right?
Thanks for your direction.
That's a car payment. Well, I didn't tell you what direction to go. I just walked you through it, right? There you go. Bang, bang. That's what we do here at American Dream Trading. All right. Oh, man, I wore myself out doing all that work. Make myself some money. Help them talk a member through it. There you go. That's what we do here. Help each other out. When's my one-on-one? I don't have a one-on-one.
They're wondering, when are you going to start doing one-on-ones?
I am not licensed in the state of United States to do one-on-ones. Oh, wait, American Dream Trading. Have I done one-on-ones? Yes, as special promotional things. As a matter of fact, I just did one yesterday from probably 3 months ago when they purchased something that we threw a little teaser in there for buying a membership, throwing in a free one-on-one. And he just finally claimed it the other day. What was that beeping noise? Was that my phone? I don't even know where my phone's at, so it couldn't have been my phone. Anyway. Was that somebody else's phone I just heard come through? I don't know,
It's
Doug.
probably
Hearing strange
probably
sounds. Went, is that your phone, Doug?
probably one. Yeah.
Probably. All right. Not hearing things? I know I'm losing my mind, but if I have to hear things too, that'll really drive me crazy. MNGH. Any thoughts? That is what's NGA. That's micro. Oh, Lordy, I got to say the word micro gas, right? Natural gas. What do you want to know about it? All right, we'll take a look here. Get on here. I mean, it's natural gas, MNG, right? Oops, wrong keyboard. Mark, I got two keyboards. Micro natural gas. I don't know. I don't know if we ever look at that very much. I don't know if I have an opinion. Let me see what it is. Natural gas. Anybody got an opinion on natural gas here? Let me see if a guy's in here that likes
Trash.
it. Let me
It's
see.
trash today.
It's trash.
Trash.
Trash. Not worth
Yes.
it. Sell it all. Right? No?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. It ain't that bad, is it? Where's my buddy at? He ain't even in the room. He could have been in his glory right now. Oh, there he is. He might be working though. It ain't trash.
Not trading it.
2K is way
Not allowed
better.
to trade it.
M2K is way better.
Yeah.
M2K was better.
What do you want to know about this, sir? Over there on PC Schools, over there on TikTok, right?
He probably heard you talking about it.
Well, I don't know. I didn't talk about it. He asked the question. I was like, oh, all right, I'll answer your question. What's the question you got? He bought it up. Okay. You're going long. Is that what you mean? You in the futures longs? Well, nothing wrong with that, except it's a Friday. And yes, if you wrote it up, especially if you've held it from way early this morning, you ain't sitting too bad, right? It did have its nice up and down. You just can't buy one position. Forget about it. You got to manage the trade, right? So, no, sorry, he's short. He don't know which direction he's going. Okay, well, it could fall down depending on where'd you get in at. What time did you get in, if you know? Yep, the storms, the cold weather has bumped up natural gas. It's been declining. 355, he says he bought it in. Well, that don't sound too good there at 355. You short at 355? Yeah, you're up, you know what, crick without a paddle, you know? You know what I'm saying? It's way above 355. So, are you going to hold it? Is that what you're going to do? Do you got funds in there to hold it past closing and all through the weekend? If not, well, then maybe you'll hopefully get lucky and this will sell off and you'll break even. Right now, you're losing money, right? So, if anything, cold weather, the inclination is gas prices are going to go up, natural gas prices, right? They've been dropping like a rock for like 2-3 weeks, month, whatever, 2 months. How do I know that? Because we have one member in our group. Well, we have more than one. There's one member in particular who loves natural gas. He loves it so much, it was the only thing he was trading. To the point was, hey, let's go try to learn how to trade something else. Right? Driving, it's killing him to do it, but you know, he traded very well today, trading something totally different. Bouncing on the 200 day right now. Yeah, well, this is a 2-minute chart, and there's your 200. It'll have to fall and break through that. Is it getting a little heavy? Yeah, really, kind of, sort of, but it's not. If you got to come down here to 355 just to break even, good luck to you, sir, is all I can say. Anything can happen. You can see how far this pulls back at any given time. You could come right back down there and sell off before the day's over. But my inclination would be it's going to go up because of cold weather. Whole nation's about to get hit with a severe winter storm. And so whatever. You got till what, 5 o'clock. So you have time to make a decision, but you're going to have to decide when to rip the Band-Aid off if it doesn't come down. Where's your line in the sand? I can't tell you what to do. I can't offer you advice on when to buy and sell anything because we're not licensed financial advisors. And as such, we cannot give you financial, investment, or tax advice. This is for educational and training purposes only. Never mimic anything you see happening on the screen or coming out of my pie hole. Thank you very much. That makes the lawyers happy when I say that. Yeah, some lawyers are always standing on sidelines, their arms crossed, giving me a dirty look. You better say the disclaimer, young man. Yeah, they're older than me. They call me a young man. That's how old these lawyers are, Coach hired. These guys are like in their 80s and 90s, all of them. They're old. I don't know. These guys wrote the laws. That's how old these guys are. They were allowed, these laws didn't even exist. They're the ones that wrote them back in the day. But that's who he's got there. I guess they're some of the best in the country, so I don't know. I just do what they want me to do. Say that disclaimer once in a while. Anyway, there you go. Take a valuation of it. You know, you got to get back down there just to break even. Good. Hope that works out good for you. I don't know if I'd go short on natural gas when the whole country's about to experience the coldest weather of the year, right? So we're supposed to get 20, 30 below wind chills with 10 to 14 inches of snow here in Northeast Ohio where I live. The other places are even worse. So we'll see. We'll see if the weatherman know what they're talking about. They said 2 inches when I went to bed last night. Today I woke up and they said 10 to 14. I'm like, what the heck? So, oh, speaking of that, speaking of the nice winter storm, since you're all going to be stuck in your houses after you're done panicking and running to the grocery store, knocking people down, getting that one loaf of bread and that one last bottle of water off the shelf because you think the whole world's coming to an end, everybody's going to go and keel over just because of a little bit of snow and cold weather. You might want to just keep your TikToks open and your YouTubes and your Facebooks and your OnlyFans and all them things open this weekend because you might find, because we're going to be trapped in our house. You know, I get bored, I get itchy, I get triggered. You might find some of us just going live randomly this weekend at any given time, day or night. Matter of fact, I wouldn't even sleep if I was you all weekend. You know why? Because you might miss one of our broadcasts that we do randomly, right? So, yeah, I would look for quite a few of us on there. We're talking about it, right? As long as I got electric, you know, who knows? You may see my ugly mug pop on for a while this weekend. Don't know when. I'm not going to plan it, you know, because, you know, I am married. My wife has her own plans for what I'm going to do, you know, without me even asking. So, you know, I got to deal with that. But anyway, look for random pop-ups all weekend. Could happen. Might even talk about memberships a little bit, maybe even answer your trading questions while you're not under the pressure of actual trading. That's nice sometimes too. Obviously, we won't be able to demonstrate a live trade. Well, we still can because Bitcoin runs 24/7. So we can always pull up something, a live chart on something and teach on it if we need be, right? What did I do? I did Ethereum. Went live last time I went live, whatever that was, an oddball one, pop-up one, right? So anyhow, there we go. Anyway, TS, I hope it works out for you, buddy. You want to go into weekend green. If it don't, well, you know, hopefully you learned a lesson. Make sure you evaluate the trade and figure out what would you do differently the next time. All right. Let's go over here to the YouTubies and see what questions and comments are over there. If there is any. Oh, there's all kinds of, man, them people on YouTube are just over there, just chatting away over there, putting our TikToks here to shame. All right. Bobby said soon to be able to talk to Zoom. All right, good. What am I auctioning? Nothing. I was just telling you how to make money. That's all. Me and Bob was making money on the upside and the downside. Yes, you missed class. Sorry, Andre, but you know, not a repeat. And let's see, finishing texture. Yes, that's correct about the Academy. Yes, it will be online. Yes, it will be. All right. Real Dog caught some of that sweet mood on gold today. Yep. Came within $10 of setting a $5,000 record. Waiting for it to hit that 5,000. Didn't hit it while I'm over here talking, did it? Let's see.
Hello?
Hello? I'd like to order a large pepperoni and cheese pizza, please. Hello? Mr. George. How much you pay that guy? He's not worth it. Hello?
$1 million.
$20. He's not worth it. All right. So, see? I watch YouTube or TikTok. All right. So, hey, Mark, can you peek at Tesla? Sure. Peek at Tesla. There we go. You ready? Here it comes. Here it comes. Come on. There it is. Here it comes. There it goes. And there it is. And there it went. Is that good enough for you? Is that long enough peek? Peek? Huh? Who didn't see that not coming? Come on. What do you need to know, Sarah? I'm just being a smart aleck. You still there, Sarah? Sarah, if you're still there, type a 1. What do you want to know about Tesla? Just now getting to your question. Sarah! What do you want to know about Tesla? Sarah. Hello? Hello? I need a knocking sound, don't I? I need to sound like knocking on the door. Hello? Sarah. Sarah. I can't play that song either. Because you know that lyric's going through my head.
It is, yeah.
Yes, but I can't play
Yeah,
that. I would
same.
if it was just TikTok, but YouTube don't like that kind of thing. Anyway, Sarah, are you still there? All right, whatever. I'll just come back to you if you're there. Type
What's
in
the
a
name of
one
the
if you're
band,
there.
Mark? Is that Starship? Was that Starship? Who did that Sarah song?
Now you caught me brain dead. I don't know.
Yeah,
Google
I
it.
can't remember.
Google
That's
it.
Hall and Oates. Come on, it's Hall and
No.
Oates.
No way.
No.
Sarah. There it
No
is.
way. Hold on.
Let me see. Let me Google it. It is Starship. Doug was right.
Yeah, that's the one I was.
Hall and
Yeah.
Oates sings Sarah too.
Well, that's all notes. They don't even like each other anymore. They don't even talk. Here, let me see. Let me see. Let me play it here. Let me see. Hang on.
He's thinking about Sarah Smiles.
Uh-huh.
I'm thinking about
Wait,
Silver going to
the
102
song is
right
called
now. That's what I'm
Sarah.
thinking of.
It was Starship. What?
I'm thinking about Silver going to 102, baby. That's what I'm thinking about.
Really?
Come
last time
on.
somebody made me go look at it, it wasn't. I thought you said it was at 100. Silver wants to go to that? Come on.
Mhm.
Those are my connections here. What's going on? Wow.
We're here scalping the
1029.
snot out of it.
1029 or 1019. Sorry.
Come on, just get up there. Come on. Be scared. Reach for the sky.
Now that I look at this old video from back in whatever year that was made, 12 years ago, the guy singing it looks more like a girl.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Oh, he's a good looking dude, don't get me wrong, but 10, where are we going, Doug? Silver to where? Doug said
102, baby.
Huh?
102.
Wow. Sure, Doug. How confident are you?
Come on.
How confident are you, Doug? Pretty
I don't
confident
even
guy,
have an
are
L.
you?
I'm not even looking at an L2.
They got past that big wick, so look what it's done did ever since then.
Yeah.
They ain't done nothing but climbing.
Look at that.
Look at all the contracts sitting at 102, huh? What did I say?
Yeah,
What did I
I
say?
know. Yeah. It seems
Come
like
on.
some of these people in this American Dream Trading know what the hell they're talking about. Is that just
Some
a farce
do.
or what? Is this all? What's
I'm
going
just
on
guessing.
here? How do we know what's going on? How do you know it's going to do that? It seems like you guys got it going over here. I don't know. It's almost scary. You're calling out things
Psychological.
to the penny. What is going on?
Oh, I would love to see it break 102.
Oh,
Just
Doug.
launch.
Oh, Doug, come on.
Ah, you bugger.
Come on. I thought, it's going there. It's
It was
99,
one tick
Doug.
away.
1021, 99.
1 tick away.
101, here comes 102, 93. 93. Come on, it was a lousy penny away from a 102. Come on.
One tick. One tick away from 200.
You can do it. Come on, Doug. Maybe it needs to be steamrolled. I don't know. Let's go. Come on, is that all it takes? Oh.
Nice and tall. Come on.
Come on. Let's go.
Here we go.
Last time.
I can't play the Money One song because I got in trouble from YouTube last time I did that.
Did you really?
Yeah.
For crying out
Apparently
loud.
somebody owns the copyrights to that. Probably the original artist and was probably happy. Record labels and all. I know.
You know what?
What?
We're promoting the song.
That's why I see it.
I don't know why they're so bent out of shape about it.
I know. Boy, my buddy Rick sees it too, Or try to get the word out. You can't even teach kids to do classical tunes online anymore because, you're going to get sued. Anyway, I guess it's their stuff. They can do whatever they want, right?
Lane.
Well, let's see. What else we got going on here since that one failed so bad? There we go.
Hasn't failed yet.
Hasn't failed yet? Okay.
Mm-mm.
All right. I'll take your words on it.
Broke that previous double top. Now we're coming back down with a little retest. How are you doing?
Okay.
How you feeling?
Right?
Do you see me now?
Another lyric just went in my head by saying that. Come on, stop that. Putting these lyrics in my head. Anyway, let's get smashing them heart buttons over there on the TikToks. We only have...
Right to the meat of that
you guys
wick.
are busy making money because I only have 1,700 likes. What is up for that? We need 30,000 minimum. Come on. Yes, you
know
missed it. It's not on YouTube. It was for registered members only during the live, and you would have to have a VIP Gold, Diamond lifetime membership to be able to watch it once it is posted. It's not processed or anything yet. But if it does get published, you have to have a paid membership to get it on one of the higher levels. All right, what else we got? That was
Here
an
it
old
goes.
question.
Here it
Yes,
goes.
I see.
Come on.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
Let me scroll back down to
Yeah.
the real time here. Live in Maryland Realty. Good. Do I do one-on-ones?
Yeah, there it is. Bam.
Does he does one-on-ones all the time in the Zooms? Yeah, we do. We talked about what? Oh, it hit 102.005, Doug. Why didn't you
Got
tell
it
me
by
it was
one
going
tick.
that high?
I think I did.
Oh, maybe that's where I heard it at. Why ain't it staying up there, Doug?
I didn't have my limit order up there though. I was hoping it would just blast
Yeah, I
through
didn't
it.
either. I got an order running, but I wasn't paying attention. I'm over here flapping my gums and blinked, and it went to 102. New record high for silver. Broke out $100 this morning.
Hey, Mark,
Now we're up to 102. Can we go 103? Where's it going now, Doug? 150? I don't know, Doug.
102.25.
Oh, okay. 102.25, 102.20, 102.50. You know what I just said, Doug? 102.50. There it is, 102.50. I say 102.50, Doug. What do you say?
I do every 25 cents.
Okay, every 25. So you're not wrong either then, right? 102.50. Where's 102.50 at? 102.45 right there. That's 102.50. That yellow line. That's where I said it was going to next. Here we go.
That candle right there jumped over the candle right there left a gap between the thing. They bought up so much of it. They
Okay.
bought all
Yep.
they bought all the 102s.
Yep. As long as you didn't say the word gap theory, I'm okay.
It ain't gap theory. I'm just saying the candle
Okay. I got
jumped
scared there
up.
for a minute.
It
I thought
did.
the word gap theory was coming out here sooner or later.
No.
Oh no, I don't
We don't
believe
teach
in
any of
gaps.
that garbage.
Yeah, we don't deal with that.
That
I'll
just
deal with
that
that.
just
Only
shows
them
me
fake
that
kids that drive the Lambos talk about that stuff.
yeah, they looking for price to come back, but I'm looking at it like shoot. That let me know them buyers are convicted on getting up there.
All I can tell you is I'm up 18,000 on this trade alone right here. What about you guys? Huh? Come on.
I'm not trading.
Get it?
I've got one contract that I got in at 101,655, and it's up $435 right
There
now.
you go. Bang, bang. New record high. Every tick. 21, 26, 30,
New high.
30,
New high.
28, 29, 29,
Okay.
30,
Guess what else?
30. That's a big game of candle at the top of the channel. Could get resistance here. Let's see. Is it going to break and
Come
hold
on.
here? Be careful. Did not start on the shoulder
Every
of the previous
25
candle.
cents.
Could be a weak candle. Let's see what happens here. Then we want to break through
Every 25
102,200. By the way, Doug, it broke through 105.50. I don't know, if you heard that number anywhere, but anyway, here we go.
102.50
Going on, I'm moving
now.
on up the round and about first base, on the way to second. Holy cow! Can he hold on? It's gonna be close. The lyrics pop in my head, especially rock operas.
I got a lot of volume in that.
Oh,
The euro just made a new high too.
Gold is about to break its high for the day.
It ain't profit till you lock it in. So
Everything getting new high.
Come on.
The dollar is tanking.
All right. That's good. What's going on? It ain't even power hour yet. What in the world's going on here? I'm telling you. What is going on here? Let's go. Let's go.
So
Look at
gold
that.
should be getting a new high too.
It closed above 102.25 cents.
New high.
Gold is a new high.
Go silver.
right.
What about
See?
platinum?
Told
I
you.
guarantee you platinum. Look at platinum, PL. Somebody
Yeah,
look at PL.
all of them.
See what PL's doing at the moment.
I'm not looking at anything else but this chart.
Well,
right
I'll
in
be
front of
either. That's why I asked somebody else to do it. Ah!
Everything else that's everything getting new highs. That's,
Yeah, well,
that's a
platinum,
better
they all did this
currency.
morning. Platinum's just sitting there. Never mind. Nobody's interested in platinum. They're all after silver. Well, I got out. I locked my profits in on that other trade. Now I'm back, jump back in. Now it's just kind of sitting here and doing nothing. Come on. Don't be piggy. Don't be greedy. Come on. Come on, are you not entertained here? What's going on?
Are you not entertained?
Come on, we're
Are
helping
you
you.
not
The euro is
entertained?
118.3, Mark.
Is this not why you were
118.3.
here?
5 minutes to power.
5 minutes per
Oh, that's
hour.
gonna sell off. Hey, you better be careful at power hour. Come on
So
down.
we just made an equal high on the 1 minute for those last two candles. And like I said, 102 and 25 cents would be the next key level. And that's where the bodies
made
are
it
resting.
102.50. I thought it was the 102.50.
No, he was talking 102.050. I'm talking every 25 cents.
Yeah, that is correct.
And there's the pullback.
Yes, sir.
Damn it.
Yeah,
Nailed
at
it.
power hour.
Get it.
On point.
Get that bounce off the 9? Huh? 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 Huh?
I swear, people going crazy out here, Mark.
They
Why
are.
grocery stores is packed?
I mean, they're just giving away money, Ralph, and we're here taking it. What are we supposed to do? Say no?
Talking about there's no room left in this parking lot.
Why?
Nah, I guess they buying bread and water. I don't know.
You better grab some, Ralph. You know, world's coming to an end.
Where you at,
forever on the
Aldi?
news. You know what I mean?
It's not gonna get that cold.
I don't know.
Should have
Should
went to
have taken
Aldi.
that short.
I don't know.
Should have taken that short. Did you take
Why?
that short, Mark?
Why wouldn't you take the bounce off of it? The upside. Off the 9. You like doing that all the time.
I'm doing socials now. I got to be done. I'm starting to get a
You
little
don't got to
tired.
do socials. They're all watching. They're all learning here. They're all wanting to be members of American Dream Trading. All you have to do is go to our website, American Dream Trading, and use that promo code MARK at checkout and get 10% off. If you're getting a diamond membership today, by the way, they're going to cease to be sold effective February 1st. You get $500 right off the top just by putting promo code MARK in there. See that at the top of my screen? Right there. You don't even have to remember it. Right there it is. As you go to that website, all you got to do is write MARK in the promo code on checkout. Get $500 off that membership. Do it now. It's literally going to end at. And by the way, that's $850 a month if you're going to pay for that monthly. You do the math. That's 10 grand a year right there. I think it's 10,500 if you pay it monthly. You want to get it for 5,000 one-time payment, never pay again? Yeah, if you need help, you want to maybe even, I don't know, I can't guarantee this, but if you really want to split it into 2 even payments, you might be able to do that. But you're going to have to make out a help desk ticket for that and see if we'll do that. Make sure you use promo code MARK at checkout though, right? Helping you out, trying to help you change your life. You're ready to change your life. You hear me talk about it all the time. What more do you want, huh? We just showed you how to make money going up. We just showed you how to make money going down live as it happened. You saw me make money go up, well, a couple times. You saw me make money go up. You saw Mr. Robert make money going down. Bang, bang, live right in front of your face. What more do you want?
Are you not entertained?
Are you not entertained? I don't know what to tell
Are
him.
you not entertained?
Well, let Russell tell
Are
him.
you not entertained?
There, Russell, tell him.
Is this not why you were here?
Huh? If that ain't enough, maybe Matthew will agree.
All right.
If that ain't good enough, maybe the Kool-Aid guy will like it.
Oh, yeah.
See? They're all in agreement if you ask me.
In a trade right now, Mark.
Okay.
Smack him a couple of times.
All right. Go. Andre says he's up 2K trading today. NQ and gold. Attaboy. Imagine if you was a member. Yeah, imagine if you member, you'd be up more than 5K. Yeah, you're thinking small there, Andre. Imagine if you were a member. Well, you know, if you spend that 5K, go get that diamond member. Matter of fact, if you go put the 5K up, put that 10% code in there, you can get it for $4,500 today. Lock it in. You've been here all the time. I don't know what you're waiting on. You've heard us talk and talk and talk. What are you waiting on? Let's go.
Mark, did you see that pullback right down to 102 and then the bounce off of 102
wow, Doug,
with that giant seller, with that giant buyer's wick?
I believe in magic. See, there you go. Got me.
The whole time you were gone, we were talking about, well, how do you know when it's going to do this and so on?
Yeah.
That's how you know.
That's how you know. You know how I know, Doug? Because I'm up $14,250 on this trade right now, Doug. See that, Doug?
Yeah, baby.
See that, Doug? I ain't a fool. I was in there. I got it.
I think it's gorgeous.
Bang, bang.
We had a
Bang,
nice little
bang, Doug.
training session while you were gone.
Yes, sir. Oh, here comes the next one. Starting on, it didn't really start on the shoulder, but it fooled us.
It's all
There it
right.
goes.
It's all right.
Well, I'm back up to 14 now. Let's go. Come on. Bang, bang. Let's go get it. Retest to the upper level. Come on. Go. Lock that baby in. I ain't got time to play, Doug. I ain't got time.
Not for that kind of shenanigans.
Drop
With the
it.
weight that you're
See
trading,
Doug?
no,
Good
you
thing I
don't.
got out of that, right? I didn't like that weak
Yeah.
candle there. Did not start on the shoulder of the previous candle. I see something going the other way. I'm out. I ain't got time.
Bad mojo.
Yeah, well, not always, but you know, I'm playing statistics. Bang, bang. In there
3
about
o'clock
what?
sell-off.
Right there. Are you getting what I'm putting down?
Yeah. Power
4
hour.
o'clock sell-off.
Power hour, 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
There it comes. Oh, I got a feeling, Doug. Got a feeling. Just got one. I don't know how to explain it, but I got a feeling, Doug. There it goes. There's my feeling,
Chris, I
Doug.
guess.
Come on. Get up there. Oh, my feeling fell apart. Oh, well.
It's not done yet.
Yeah.
I mean, trying to find support. It's going to come down a little bit further.
Yeah, it'll be all right. Power hour. Who's grabbing them diamond memberships? Who's went to American Dream Trading? Our website. Do I got to show it to you? If I show it to you, will you go there? It's very easy. All you got to do is type in americandreamtrading.com in any web browser. It'll take you right there. Click a big button right on the landing page. You can't miss it. One click takes you right to our membership page. Get that diamond membership. The diamond lifetime is going away. You will not be able to purchase it effective February 1st. You can also use my name, Mark. Mark. For 10% off. Knock $500 off it right off the top for you. Bang, bang. All right. What's my average take profit points? I don't use take profits. Why, Atlantic, would I want to limit my income? All I want to do is protect my losses. I don't want to protect how much money I can make. Why do I want to cut my money short? What if I'd had a take profit of 10 ticks here? Did that go up more than 10 ticks? You sure, right? Right, it did. Right? What's your average? I'll bet you it's 10 or 15, right? Look at that. That thing went up 60 ticks. What if I had a tick of 10? Well, I'd have just lost out on $400 per contract. Or no, not that. That'd have been 40 times 25, right? 40 times 25. Yeah. That's $1,000 you'd have gave up. Why do you want to limit how much money you can make? Quit using take profit. It's a waste of time. Anybody tells you to use take profit, run away. Just run away. They don't know what they're talking about, right? Can you use it? Sure, you can do whatever you want. It's your trade. I'm just suggesting that you don't. Why do you want to limit your upside potential if that thing spikes up, right? You can get out of the trade anytime you want.
Listening to too many TikTokers, influencers trading those 3-letter word type.
Right. So why? Don't quit using take profit. Always make sure you have a stop loss. Never trade without a pre-programmed stop loss. You should never enter a trade unless your stop loss is pre-programmed, right? Don't limit how much money you can make. That's just crazy. Does that even make logical sense? Well, I only want to make 1,000 of this 10,000 that's going up. That's enough for me. Somebody else can have the other 9,000. Don't do that. That's just silly, right? You have your mouse button. You can exit a trade anytime you want with one click of the mouse. You decide when to get out. Don't let some stupid, whatever it's called, indicator thing get you out of the trade. Do it yourself. Well, I might not be quick enough. Oh, you're quick enough. All you can do is concentrate and focus. Focus. Don't let them little critters with the bushy tail distract you.
Squirrel!
You know, focus on your trade. You saw how fast I was in and out of these trades. I'm an old guy. I got it. I'm going to be 64 this year. I'm old. You're probably a fourth of my age there, Atlantic. I don't know. Maybe you aren't. I don't know who you are. You might be a 90-year-old. I don't know. Don't use take profit. No reason to. Right? Quit watching them TikTok kids that use take profit. You're limiting your income. Right? Thank you very much for that question. But that's a common question. I'm not just picking on you. That's for the room, all right? That's not just for you. There, we get that question a lot. You know, what do you do about take profit? I don't. I take profit with my booger picker. This right here, this thing here. Look, are you looking? Are you watching? Here it is. See this thing? You go like that. That's what controls your mouse. You know, if you go like this, push real hard, you can go up there and just grab about every booger you got in your nose, right? That's your booger picker. Use your booger picker to make you money. All right? It goes like this. All you got to do is go like that. When you go like that, you make money. Click, 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 click. Right? That's all you need to do. Click, click. Everybody do it with me. Hold your hand up. Put it in front of your face. Go click, 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 click. That's your booger picker. That's how you make money. That's how you lock in your profits. Don't let some arbitrary line on a chart that you put there determine how much money you make. You can see those places. If you decide that's where you want to get out, have at it, right? You're going to find you're going to be giving up a lot of money, right? Don't do it. Always have a stop loss, though, right? Don't ever trade without one, right? If I enter this trade right here, right now, let's just say I'm going to buy this. I'm not saying this is a good trade. It's a paper, so don't worry about it, right? There you go. There's my stop loss. See this right here? This was automatically pre-programmed. This right here. This limits how much money I can lose. You see a take profit anywhere on my chart? Okay. Well, let's use the, I can create one real quick. Right there it is. All I got to do is grab and slide that up, right? All right. So I'm saying I'm willing to take $16,250 on this trade, please. Well, what happens when this thing blows by and goes clear up here? How much more money would that have been? Look at that. There's 39,000 if it had popped up through the top of that channel. Why do you want to give up all that money? I don't get it. Now, if you got to walk away, yeah, that I get. That there's a good use for it, right? Let's say I got to stop at something happened and I got to walk away real quick. Sure, you could slide a take profit up here to some unreasonable amount maybe or something, and you know, at least you know if it happens to burst, you can go up there and get that, right? It has its purposes, or they would have never created it. But don't use it, right? Unless you got to walk away from a trade or something, don't use it. All right? Thank you very much. But that's a common question. I'm not picking on you. I'm just saying it to the whole crowd because people ask that all the time, right? I mean, we have people we have members that use it. That's your choice. It's your trade. If you want to limit your upside potential, then go ahead and use it. You do whatever you want. It's your money, right? I like to get more of it. I don't want something stopping me out before I want to make money. Catch my drift? Here we go. What was the question again? Oh. What's my average?
You blacked out.
Yeah, I blacked out. Sorry. What else here? Great to hear, Bobby. There's a new Diamond member. Videos do you recommend to start with? Not intro ones, more like technicals. I would recommend you go to the most basic video there, Bobby. Coach's 2-minute EWO trading strategy. There's all kinds of them. There's a whole bunch of them for free on YouTube also. Just type in, TikTok wants me to do a puzzle. Maybe. Let's see. Was that an interweb thing? It might just be, I got to do a puzzle, Doug. Here we go. Wish me luck.
I'm by.
Here it goes. I got to go over there. I got to move it over there. I got to stop it just right. Go of it just right. We'll go about right there. Looks close. Success, Doug. Should be good now to the end of the broadcast. There we go.
Nice work.
Yes, 2-minute EWO trading strategy. Master it before you do anything else there, Bob. All right. Oh, I figured it'd pop in.
Bang, 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 bang.
What?
Bang, bang.
Bang, bang, where?
Somewhere.
That don't tell me anything. Yeah, I'll bang, bang anywhere. I don't care. It don't matter to me. But what stock you talking about? Or contract?
Oh, nothing.
J-Dog's in the house, Doug. J-Dog's in the house. I haven't seen J-Dog around for a while. All right.
Jeez.
Oh, listen to that J-Dog. He said I could sell haircuts to bald guys. Come on, J-Dog.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, man. It's probably
I
true.
went a little heavier on this bounce, Mark.
Oh, my. What are we doing, Doug?
Oh, this is gorgeous.
Oh, we
I
making
took the
more money
bounce
on
off of the
silver. Is that what we're
55.
doing? Look at all this
Yeah.
money you guys are. I'm not making because I'm over here hanging out with you guys. I tell you what, I don't know what to do here.
Oh, that's a great
Well,
candle
since I
start
can't
too.
really
Come on,
watch it,
get
we'll
up
go
there.
20 contracts this time. All right, we'll do 20. We'll see what 20 will do
Come
for
on.
me. 20 gonna
I
make
want to
you
see
anybody, Doug?
102.50 today.
Huh?
I want to see 102.50 today.
Well, you probably get it if you talk nice. You're so mean
Well,
to
if
it.
I'm not being mean to it. She's been lovely to me today.
All right. Gotta talk nice to it, Doug. Maybe it needs a train ride to get there. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah.
Come on, people.
Funny how?
Well,
I'm funny how? I make you feel like I'm a clown, I amuse you.
I love that.
I make you laugh.
I love
I'm here
that
to
bit.
fucking amuse you. What do you mean funny? Funny how? How am I funny? How
Yeah.
the fuck am I funny? What the f is so
Hey,
funny
now
about
watch
me?
them words.
Tell me.
It's a
Tell me
family
what's
show.
funny.
Family show.
Family show. Oh. Surely you jest.
Turn, guys. What'd I miss?
Oh, nothing.
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
Surely NQ's pulling under VWAP.
Yeah, we never even heard of NQ. We've been making money on brand new record $100, $101, $102, and $102, 102.345 cent brand new record highs on silver while you were gone. Bang bang.
Oh my God! You're right. I didn't see that. Wow.
Yeah, welcome. You did okay today. No FOMO. No FOMO. Wasn't he mayor of New York at one time? Governor of New York. FOMO. Hello?
Andre says that we're missing out on M&Q.
I missed out on nothing. I did okay.
His name is Mario Cuomo.
Oh, Mario FOMO? Okay, sorry. I got confused. Oh, that was FOMO.
Mark, I've been hanging out in the other room. I forgot how entertaining you are.
What's up with NQ?
You're gonna come hang out with us more.
Oh.
It's on VWAP. I wouldn't mess with it. I like silver better.
Trade on VWAP. You gotta wait for the break and hold a VWAP.
Correct. He's breaking it.
That run was already over. If he was in it already, great. But ES doing the same thing. Look at that. Man, I'm like dehydrated here or something, Doug. My mouth's getting dry. What's up? Is that a sign I'm talking too much? I don't know, Doug. I don't know what that means.
I think maybe you've been yapping a lot.
Oh, is that what that means? Not drinking enough?
Mm-hmm.
I gotta take up drinking, Doug. Picked the wrong day to quit smelling glue. Oh, this is what goes on in my head. All these conversations. I got all these people in my head. One guy's in there playing piano, another guy's singing lyrics, another guy's playing movie clips. It's crazy inside. You should visit the inside of my head one day. I don't think a normal person, a mere mortal, could handle it.
No.
Right? I don't think anybody here could understand what's going on in my brain. And if they had to have my brain in their head, I don't think they'd be able to handle it. I think they would just short circuit. That's what I think. It's our money. We want it now. Yes, JG.
That's right.
See that? See?
Come on, break it.
Yeah. I mean, what are you supposed to do with silver, Doug? It keeps wanting to give us money. What are we supposed to do with this? I'll go ahead and just lock that 7,000 in because it's just sitting there for a long time, Doug. Bang, bang.
Keep taking it.
You're good. I took it. I got time. I got I got a show to do here,
It's not
Doug.
done yet.
I got a show to do. That was on 20 contracts.
All right. Shave
go
some.
bigger, Doug, or go home. What do you think? Go big or go
or
home?
maybe you shave some and leave some runners.
Well, there we go. We're going to go big and go home. We're going to go 30 this time. We'll see what happens here. Go to 30. See if I can make a quick bang here. It's coming up to a double top. So probably not. I'm not going to play around. I ain't going to play around. I'm going to take what's mine when it gets there. There's 8,000. I'm watching my P&L, which you shouldn't be doing, but I still want to tell you what it is. And what do we got over here, right? What am I trading here? I'm trading silver, right? Is that what I'm trading? Yeah, I'm trading silver. Oh, it was up 9,000. I'm down to 5,000. Come on, get up there again. Come on, one little bump, just one little bump, Daddy. Once you get a new high, there you are. Now I'm going to take that new high right there. That was $13,200 right there. Bang, bang, right at a new 52-week high. I didn't want to sit there and have it reject on me while they decide whether they want to blow through it. If it does break and hold through it, guess what? I'm going to ride that donkey. I'm going to jump in on that donkey. Here's my donkey. Oh, that ain't a donkey. That's a cow. Sorry. Anyway.
I'm on the donkey right now.
All right. Are
I'm
you
out.
not amused? Where do you go? Where do you go to get this kind of education for free? Come on.
Oh, it's going to do it. It's going to hit it.
It's going to do it. I got a feeling, Doug.
It's going to do it.
Do what? What's going to do?
It's going to go to the moon, Doug. I got a feeling.
Go,
What do we
baby,
got
go.
here? All right, I'll do this fake account over here. How about that? All right, there we go. There's $625, right like that. Bang, bang.
102.48.
Just like that, Doug. You
102.48.
didn't even have to think about it. Bang, bang. Here we go. You want to see me do it again, Doug? Here we go. All right, here we go. It's coming up the top of this channel. I got to wait for this to break above this channel.
There it is. There's
It's probably
42
gonna
contracts
reject
sitting
right
at
here.
102.50.
And I'm going to get the pullback off this top of this channel here to the downside and see if I can't make some money as this pulls back, Doug. I'm going to go with statistical odds. This is not a real, strong trade to the downside, but we're going to see here if this pulls back a little. Back. The other way. No, this way. Down, not up. Down.
Yeah, the other down.
Down. Down. There it goes. Come on. One more. One
Why
more down.
are you voting
That's all need.
against
One
my
more
long
down.
position?
There you go. 625. Bang, bang, Doug. Just like right there. Bang, bang.
All right.
I don't know how much. Come on, people. Are you not entertained or what?
I love
Come
this.
on.
Are you not
Jeez.
entertained?
This is not amateurs you're playing with
Is this not
here.
why
These
you
are
were
real
here?
people. These are not actors. These are not paid actors. Well, that Matt guy, he's a paid actor. But the rest of them are real. You hear that Matt guy, he's a paid actor. Don't believe anything he says. All the rest, though,
Extra.
they're all the real deal. We
Yeah.
got paid
Tap
actors
Hartman.
sometimes
Not a-
round out the room.
Yeah.
There's not a very big
I'm one of those
sell
people
switch
that
on
walk in the
previous
background.
candle.
Yes, you are. You're a background actor. That
Yeah,
describes you.
background.
Yes, there you go. Cool. All right. Well, I'm sitting on my hands now. I've racked in how much on these trades here, Doug? I don't know. Everybody keeping track how much I say I'm making here? Nobody is, because they ain't paying no attention. And they're always worried about how much I'm making today, Doug. And I was telling them how not one of them's got it wrote down to keep track for me. Do they? See, they don't really care, Doug. They're just trying to create conversation. But you know what? We got to get this new high up here, Doug, because we have a new record high on silver, right? Let's see. What is our new record high on silver now, Doug? 102.475. Uh-huh. 102.475.
Yep.
Enter. Bang, bang. Hey, guess what the new 52-week high is, Doug? 102.475.
Yeah.
Guess what
For
the
now.
record high is, Doug?
102.475.
There you go. Correct answer. I just wanted to use your correct button. That's all.
You are correct, sir.
You are correct. All right.
And there's 102.50. Thank
Go.
you very much. Out of that trade.
Oh, I'm
Go.
loving this.
Look at that.
I'm loving this.
So pretty. Another
I don't know what else to tell
585
you
on
people.
one.
I don't know.
Those three
One micro
contracts.
contract.
How about if I get out of this trade myself? I'm up. What am I up here? I'm up 3750, 3000, 1500, 2250. This thing's jumping all over tarnation. I tell you what, I should probably get out of this. It's a little chaotic up here, setting this new high. I'll take the 3750. There we go. Bang, bang. How much is that there, people of TikTok who are always asking me how much I'm making a day? Come on, how much was that? You should have been paying attention. Replay the tape or something. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. What to tell you? You like Red Bull, Doug? I like Red Bull.
$585.
How about you? You like Red Bull? I like Red Bull. I think I've had 5 cans of Red Bull today, Doug. Can you tell?
Oh my God.
Oh my.
All right. What else we got? Atlantic says we trade momentum and trends, allows to capitalize on longer runs. There you go. That's what the EWO is for. You're correct. J-Dog, you did not learn to use TP. Well, maybe you use TP at home. Hopefully you do. But, we don't use take profit. You didn't learn that from Coach. Don't try to tell people you did on a trade the other day because I had to get out of the car. All right. Now I finished reading the whole story. That makes sense. He said he used take profit because he had to get out of the car, so he couldn't manage it. There you go. So
The Australian dollar made a new
that's
high.
anytime it's valid. What?
Aussie dollar made a new high.
Australian dollar. Buy American, Ralph.
Yeah, no, I am. I'm the
You're
AUD
buying the dollar
USD.
against Australian dollar, aren't you?
Yeah,
There you
yep.
go.
Long on it.
There you go. Good job. What's your euro at now?
Look at it.
Holding at 118?
Look at that,
I
Mark.
don't know. Let me see.
Andre, how do you use trailing stops? Well, if you come into our Zoom call, we'll teach you how to do that, or you can watch videos on your own.
Oh it's higher than that now. The euros climb higher. Holy I know that. It's at up. What the heck just happened? That's the one, but not say nothing about my internet. 108.49. Can I get a 108.50?
Michael Anthony K5R, do you got something you want to say that ain't smart alecky? I'll give you one last chance. What's up? Posting stuff about other companies and possible takeovers and stuff that's all purely speculative. We don't do that in here. That's a stock. It does nothing to do with the futures. And you're talking about noise in this room. So is there an issue? Because you can't find the front door? Is that what you can't find? Hello? Mr. Anthony? Yeah, I'm looking at you, buddy. Mr. Anthony? You don't want to respond? Well, you know. If you turn right around, turn around. Nope, keep going. Turn around a little bit more. Little bit more. A little bit more. Keep turning.
Bye.
Turn a little bit more. We go. There you go. There we go. Turn around a little bit more. Oh, there's the front door right there. Goodbye.
You are the weakest link.
You are the weakest link. Bye bye.
He probably posted and ran. That's what they usually do.
Yeah, that's what they did. He didn't answer. Make smart ass remarks. And don't matter to me. I like playing with trolls once in a while. He was a nice troll. He was a nice troll.
118.5. Oh, it's 9.5. We got to get that one more tick. You cannot end on 45.95, 40.95.
Ralph would be speaking of the euro.
Yeah. Oh, it got it, Mark. No, it didn't. It went down to 85. Never mind.
Never mind. I got to get that sound.
Drewski.
I cannot believe that it went to 118.50. Holy smokes. We was trading that thing.
495. I believe that would be a new, nope, 119.795. Yeah, 119. Almost made 120. 119.795 is the record 52-week high.
Yeah.
I should say 52-week high. Okay.
It's been a really good run for all the metals and the currency pairs and all the things that's what DXY at right now in the dungeon.
Jack did. Can you start with 5K? I got a better deal for you. Yes, you can. You can start by buying a diamond membership for 5K.
Absolutely.
Matter of fact, I will knock $500 off for you today. All you got to do is use promo code that you see at the top of the screen. It says Mark. That's what you need to start with is the education. You don't need to spend a dime trading. Okay? Yes, you can. That's more than enough. However, you need to start with training first. You need to learn how to do this. This isn't just like I'm showing you here, clicking a mouse button, making money. This is starting my 4th year of doing this. All right. Yeah, I'm goofing around here a little bit today. I'm tired, overly tired, so I am over the top just for my own amusement, right? But I take seriously what I do here, right?
Empty your cup when you come in.
Money is a serious thing. It keeps a roof over my head, right? Puts groceries on the table. This is what I do for a living, right? If I don't show up for work and day trade, I make no money, right? But that 5K, yes, you can start with that. But I would suggest you start with a diamond. It's a one-time lifetime payment. Never, never, ever have to pay anything again. And then we'll knock 10% off today. Or $4,500. All you got to do is go to American Dream Trading, go to our website, click on the big button, click on the Diamond membership, type in promo code Mark at checkout, and you'll instantly get that Diamond membership. And you got all weekend to start studying. There you go. You want to train first. Do not trade with real money. Best investment you'll ever make is in your own education. And if it's not in day trading, it's whatever, right? Invest in your own education. I'm not trying to get you to part with your $5,000, but you need to invest in yourself. That's the truth, right? Just the way it is. People don't want to hear that. They think, I see that TikToker said, follow me and you'll be driving a Lambo by the end of the week. Well, go ahead and follow them, will you? Go ahead and send them your hard-earned money. See how far you get. We are a training and education company. We want to see you succeed. We will train you on how to do all this stuff, right? It'll be a skill that you develop that nobody else will be able to take away from you, ever. Anywhere there's an internet connection, you'll be able to do this. You can trade anywhere in the world. We got somebody just come back from a cruise, middle of the ocean, trading. Had people trade literally under the Eiffel Tower and made money. I've traded on every one of my vacations.
Don't forget about Costco.
I'll be going to Guatemala here in a little while. I'll be trading down there. So, make money anywhere in the world.
Mark, don't forget about Costco.
Yeah. We got a guy that sits in Costco eating Costco hot dogs and Costco pizza with his feet up on the table with his shoes off and his big toe sticking out of his worn out sock and taking pictures. He's kicking back, trading. While his wife's out there shopping, doing all the hard work, pushing the cart around. 3 kids on her hips. And out there pushing that cart up and down the aisle. He don't even care. He's there trading. That's why he's there. They got good Wi-Fi at Costco. That's why he likes trading there. Kids are crying and noses runny and shoes are falling off. Their diapers are full. And his wife's just carrying them all on her hip like nobody's business. Why he's sitting there eating Costco hot dogs and pizza, making money.
Got to feed him some way.
Because he can. Yeah. There you go. Telling you, you can do this anywhere. Yeah. Toyota dealer too. Yeah, J-Dog, you're right. I've made money at the Toyota dealer. You're right. I have made money at the Toyota dealer. I forgot about that. See, J-Dog remembers. How do people remember? You people got to get a life if you can remember stuff in my life like that. Come on. Wow.
Hospital hallways.
Hospital bed, hospital rooms. Yep. Hospital waiting rooms.
At the church on the attic ladder.
Yeah. Yep. Yes, sir. Hey, anywhere you can stop and pull that phone out of your pocket or that tablet, hey, you might as well make money. Got Wi-Fi.
He did it with no TP. He just slid the stop.
Bobby, those screenshots that you see are real, buddy. Those are real deal, buddy. And that's for paid members only. I'm pretty upfront and honest about it, as are a lot of the other members.
I'm a member. I'll vouch that it truly will pay for itself. Currently, I'm in a trade right now, 3 contracts to the upside. Was up 5 ticks, but now currently at 3. There we go, 5 back to 5 right now to the upside. I'm going to take it about 1650 take.
Yep.
It will pay for itself.
Okay.
Not financial advice, no guarantees.
Yep. Why am I looking at the euro? Who got me looking at the euro? I don't want the euro. What am I looking at the euro for? Oh my. Nice trade. Look at silver just sitting there at that old, we do have a new 52-week high, but I need to adjust that line, but that's okay. I can slide it up, I guess, if I want to. I want to. Do I want to? I want to. Slide that up there. Grab hold of it to 590, right? Go. Look that bad boy down. All right, comments, questions. There you go, walking tall. Use the EWO trading strategy. Brand new. Actually, he's a free member, I believe. Aren't you walking tall, or did you get a membership? He's in our free Discord learning. Made money on a stock today. GIBO. Good job. That's how we do it around here, right? Were you able to do that before you got the free Discord there, walking tall? Let them know. Let them know over there in TikTok land. Oh, you're at the Toyota dealer too there, J-Dog? All right. Get a RAV4. I highly recommend it. I love mine. It's about our third or fourth one we've had. Don't need no stinking Lambo. It'd have to come with a giant shoehorn if I bought a Lambo. How about that for a visual? Think this might come down here and hit the 55 and bounce, Doug? I don't know. What do you think possibilities are? I don't know. It could.
No.
It could. Where's it at? Where's the 55? Is at 102, 102, 152, something like that. Man. I need a drink, Doug. I'm parched. I'm like parchment paper. I'm dry. Go. What we got going on here? Come on, pop down there. You can do it. Come on, you know you want to. You want to go down to that below that channel there. Here comes the candle. Let's see if it's going to bounce off this little trend line here that I warn everybody about every single day. Respect the red line. Doesn't mean it won't go down, but better be thinking about it. You better be on your top of your A game here to see if it's going to break and hold below this line or not. Right? Oh, you can drop a Lambo engine or RAV4? Oh, maybe I'll do that. See how that works. I don't think so. I don't think so, Tim. How's that for a TV reference? See the kind of this is stuff that goes in my head. It's hard being me. It really is. It's hard to be me. It's still sitting here deciding. This going to be the great decider? Here it comes. I'll be the great decider here, okay? I'm going to be the great decider. Somebody has to be it. It might as well be me. Here it comes. You got to break and hold. What did I ask? What was my question to Doug? What did I ask Doug? Doug, do you think it's going to come down to the 55 and bounce? Did I re-roll the tape? Let's re-roll that videotape. What did Mark say?
I think he said he wasn't going to come down and bounce.
I just took 17 ticks off one contract.
What did Mark say? Doug, you think that'll go down to 55 and bounce?
Yeah.
What did it do, Doug?
Bounced.
Went down to hit the 55 and bounced. Huh. Wow. That Mark guy, he's a genius. No, Mark's not.
Something else.
Mark's not the brightest bulb in the pack. He's pretty much a simpleton. And most of his good brain cells have been dead for decades. But how did I know that was going to happen? Well, I didn't for 100% sure. But statistically, you know, from the things we learned from Coach, to kind of recognize things before they happen. Look at that. That wick nailed it right on the nose. Bang, bang. Come on.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?
Man, I even told you about it before it happened, and nobody bothered to mention it.
Is that why you were here?
Huh? Jeez, I don't know what. I'm giving stuff away here for free today. I can't even get you to go sign up for a free Discord or go to our free website. What is that? You should feel guilty. Don't you feel guilty? Taking all the time. Just taking. Can you trade from Colombia? You most certainly can, sir. As long as your account's already registered in the United States, you can trade anywhere in the world. Literally. Does Colombia have internet? I'm pretty sure they do. There's not many places in the world that don't have interwebs anymore. As long as you got them interwebs, you can trade. Matter of fact, I can guarantee you it does. We have a member. Is that where he went to get his extensive dental work done? Was that Colombia? It was down there somewhere. I don't know if it was Colombia for sure.
Like that.
Frankie. You know, the guy down there.
It was Costa Rica.
Oh, is that what it was? Costa Rica? Okay.
Yeah.
I hadn't heard from him for a while. I sent him a message. You will not believe where in the world this guy's going. He's going all over the world, him and his wife. They're traveling, living the best life. I was like amazed. He said he's been hanging out. He just doesn't say anything. Well, I know if he's in the futures, I'll see his name. But Yeah, him and his wife, they're traveling. They're going like 6 places this year on world travels. Just here and there, because they can. All because of ADT. He's able to live his life. Hey, I got my new passport, Doug. So did my wife. We can go anywhere in the world now.
Oh, can you now?
Yeah, might start doing
Nice.
that, Doug. I don't know. Might just disappear one day. Go on world travels. Take pictures from random places. I don't know. What do you think?
Mark, get a good laptop so you can trade and teach on your trip.
Oh no, I'm not going to do that, Matt. I'm just going to make money while I'm gone. I got time. I'm going around world travel. I'm going to be a world traveler there. I got time.
You can do it in the airplane.
No, I'm looking out the window on here. Well, I'm taking a nap on the airplane.
Yeah, but for the
other
12 hours
shortly.
For the other 12 hours you're there, might as well.
Yeah, I just might take a sailboat from New York City to I don't know where, Paris.
You trade on a sailboat.
Yeah, I can trade on a sailboat. How about a rowboat? Can I get on a rowboat from
New
York
tough,
City to Paris?
A little more tough with the holding the oars.
Yeah.
Trading.
I'll bring an extra set of oars with me just in case.
I'm scalping the
nice
crap.
And buff though, wouldn't it?
Scalping the crap out of NQ right now, by the way. 5 ticks at a time.
5 ticks at a time at NQ. Let's take a look at NQ.
3 contracts at a time.
Is it worth my time? Let's take a look and see.
Yep.
Not really. Doesn't interest me at the moment, but yeah, you got to be you. I got to be me.
Yep.
I'm sorry. Did you say 3 ticks at a time on NQ?
3 contracts at a time. No, not 3 ticks. 3 contracts.
Well, I could trade 5 ticks at a time. Want to see me? Watch. Watch right here. Bang. Watch this. Watch me make money right here. Watch. Hang on. Let me show you how it's done. There you go. There you go. There's 0 ticks. There's 1 tick. There's 1 tick.
There you go.
1 tick. Yeah, see that? I could have took that, but I'm going to just let it go here for a minute. See what happens. All right. Look at that. See? Now I'm losing money. There you go. Because some guy said this was good enough to trade. I'm over here. I took his word for it. Now I'm at 0 ticks. There's 1 tick. There's 2 ticks.
Boom.
3 ticks.
Boom.
4 ticks. Bang.
Boom.
$1,250. Bang, bang.
Boom.
Bang. Right in front of your face. Thanks, Matt.
Mark, before the I want to say something before the weekend. Seriously, Mark, the last 2 days.
You're the only one in here looking out for me besides Doug.
You helped me with my trading, Mark. Sincerely, thank you. I wish you the best.
Here we go. There's 875, 1,500, 750, 250. Let's see. We're gonna go burst down here. I should have took that. 750. I should have took that. I hesitated. I was looking to see where that wick was at on the other candles. All right. I could have took any one of them. I want to see if this is going to get another oomph to the downside. I don't have my L2 up, though. I can't see what's going on. Can't see what's going on to help me here. There we go. Let me get that up there. Oh, it wants to go down 698. All right, we're good to go here. This is going down 698. 698's right below where it's at. Anyway, hang on here. We're going down 698. There we got it. Let's get this up here where we can see what's going on. Here we go. There we go.
There you go, Drewski.
Come on.
There you go.
Come on. 698. Oh, did that order disappear? Oh, it sure did.
Yeah, that one hurt.
Well, it ain't hurt yet. It only hurts. The only one, who gets hurt on a roller coaster? The one that jumps off where it comes to a complete stop.
I jumped off.
That's how you get kneecapped. Here we go. Hang on.
Beheaded.
Here we go. Let me tighten my stop up. I don't need no stop that big. That's just a lot of silliness there. If I get stopped out there, so well be it. Should have got out of this trade already, but I didn't. We're going to see if I got hopium or if I get stopped out, right? Either way, I'm limiting my downside with this stop right here that's automatically pre-programmed on every single trade you take, because that's how we're taught to do it, right? We had a member today said that he kept wrecking his account. Why? Well, I don't like using stops, and I can't understand why I keep losing money. How about let's start using stops like we're supposed to, right? That's one of the cardinal rules. You don't ever enter a trade without a stop. Ever. Right, Doug? Ever.
Absolutely not. No.
Absolutely. Look at the Mr. D over there in the Zoom chat. Up 4.9% today. Holy cow. That's fantastic there, Mr. D. Names to change, protect the innocent. All right. Good job. How we do it. Come on. You gonna stay down there below VWAP or what? Am I gonna have to rip the Band-Aid off? Come on. Let's go.
Or what?
Oh boy. Ain't looking good. All right. They're making said he's 7.2% on his total account. Total account today, 7.2%. Imagine if that's a $7 million account. What's 7.2% of 7.2 million? Come on. How much money is that? That's a lot of money. What if it's a $70 account? How much is that? Oh, I'm ripping the Band-Aid off. I'm not going to lose any more in this trade. It may come back. Hey, you know, sometimes you got to rip the Band-Aid off. You got to take the loss on purpose. What's going on over there, J-Dog? You're the only one chatting. Is it your own little personal room over there or what? Who's over there on TikTok? Type in a 1. Let me know if you're there. How many likes we got over on TikTok, Doug? 2,000? Come on. That wasn't worth me getting out of bed for this morning. 2,000 likes. Why don't you people like me? I thought we was giving you entertainment over here. They don't like me, Doug. They like you better. Well, you know what? Just because of that, I am not going to do a show tomorrow. So there, I'll have that. So tomorrow at 2, there will be no show from me.
Silver new high almost.
Oh, wait, tomorrow's Saturday. Never mind. I was waiting on somebody to pick up on that, Doug, but they wasn't picking up what I was putting down. A little slow on the uptake, Doug. A little slow on the uptake.
Yeah.
Their TikTok's a little slow. That's all I got to say.
They're currently refreshing.
Oh, they're refreshing? Oh, is that what they're doing? Okay.
Yeah, their screen is refreshing.
Silver new high.
Reboot.
Hey, y'all have a good weekend. I'll talk to y'all Monday if I survive the freeze.
Okay. I'm sure you're down there. You're down there in the deep south. I think you'll be all right. It may get down to 50.
I'm gonna be all right,
it may get down to 50, but you can put a blanket on. You know?
Yeah.
Silver new high
Just a little blanket.
Silver new high day. 102.25,
See you, Ralph. Thank you.
Doug. You missed it. You've been waiting on that 0.5 the whole time, Doug.
No. We got the 0.5 already. Now I'm
all right. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Well,
now I'm looking at 75 cents.
To take what am I in, Doug? What am I trading? Still, I'm in a silver trade, Doug. How did I get that? I thought I was at NQ.
Pretty sure it's still silver.
Wow.
Yeah.
I better get out of this
NQ
trade.
can pound
This
sand.
Pull back here, huh? Wow. I'll go ahead and take that. $1,200. All right.
102.75. 102.75. Anyone? 102.75. 75. Let's get 75.
It was up like 3,000 before I clicked the button. I hesitated. Now you go back up there. You dirty hog, you.
102.75. 75. 102.75. 75. 75. 75. 75. 75.
Come on.
$102.75. Let's go. 102.75.
Doug, 10K day. Did you have a 10K day, Doug?
Did you, Doug?
One of the Dougs
nice.
did. One of the Dougs did. There's a couple Dougs in here. The other Doug had 4.9% on his total account. That ain't nothing to sneeze at. 1%'s fantastic.
Drewski goaded me into it.
Mm-hmm. You got to watch these people. They're very influential. They'll get you when you ain't looking.
I went extra hard on the last couple of trades. So
I got to take it easy. I don't know why I entered this trade. This was dumb. I don't know why I entered this trade here. Come on. One little pop's all I need. One pop. One pop. Come on, pop. Oh, Doug, I got to shut this show down. I'm on my last swig of coffee. Let me call my servant and see if she'll bring me a cup of coffee.
Yeah, no.
There you go. That's the sound. That knows she better come running when she hears that noise. You hear that, Doug? Banging my coffee cup on the table. That's what I need. I need a bell. I don't have a bell. I got a buzzer.
Oh, I knew that was coming.
No. Wait. She may not hear that. I'll use the buzzer instead. Bring me my coffee, woman. Either. Is that what that means, Doug? Is that how I should talk to my wife? Probably not, huh?
No.
No.
Not if you want to keep all your teeth.
Yeah, I know. I might accidentally quit breathing in my sleep or something. You never know.
Yeah.
You know.
Those pillows, they weigh a lot.
Yeah, I know.
102.75.
Oh my God, silver, guys, silver.
I'm up 10 grand on it.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
I'm in it. Three contracts.
Here. I tell you what, I don't know what to tell you folks. How much more money can we give you here?
Boom, out.
Huh?
I'm done. I'm walking away. Have a great weekend, guys.
Well, that's good. Go home green.
Good for
All right,
you.
go ahead and limit your income. You know, this could be a life-changing day today, but you're going to walk away. Okay, that's fine. All right, go ahead. Don't let us goad you into staying.
I gave back a boat ton earlier, so I don't want to.
Okay.
I don't want to go red
right,
for the
go
weekend.
green. There we go. Go green. Watch this. See, could I enter right now? Oh, I could do this, right? I can go in here and go like that. Look at that. I'm down $10,000 right off the bat. Bang, bang. Why? Because I didn't enter one like I should have, right? Now I'm down 17,000. Why will I enter to the top without the next candle being there? So you always have to make sure you're not compromising your entry. Always wait for the trade to come to you before you go entering. I jumped in that. I did that on purpose, but you know, I jumped in here and did that. Look at that. Now I'm down 10,000, right? Just set a new high and I go jump in. That's probably not the wisest kind of trade, right? So anyhow, I've gone had a text message pop up on my computer. I hate that. I got to turn that off. But it was an important message, Doug. I got to hang on here. I got to load that up. I got to pull pop up, but I couldn't read it fast enough because I'm slow. There we go. Where are we at? Where's that thing here? I have two of these. I don't know if we're going to have wing it. I don't know. What you tell him?
Damn.
Look at that.
What the hell?
Trying to break through there. Trying to break on through to the other side. I wasn't even watching.
102.75. 102.75. Anyone here? 102.75. 75.
Please stand by.
Digital in the middle of the channel, Doug.
You know it.
That's the mean, Mark. That's the mean.
Oh, yeah, that's the mean. I'm sorry, Doug. God, I hate that word. Ever tell you I hate the word mean? Ever tell you that, Doug?
A couple times, yeah.
It's a pet peeve of mine.
Never heard of mean my whole life.
It's a pet peeve of mine. I don't know why it irritates me. I don't know. I really don't know. It's not because of Doug. Well, I know whose fault it is now. Now that I think about it, it's not Doug's fault.
It's Richard's.
Yeah, little Richard.
Have those adoption papers come by?
Damn. No way. Yeah, it's done.
What's done?
This silver right now, it's gonna freaking nosedive.
Oh my gosh, you are an extremist.
I'm a very much of a pessimist. I'm not with trading, very conservative, and I have to change that.
You need to learn market structure, Matt. Honestly, you need to understand how market.
Well, what did you see there, Doug? It was under the 9, and it was clearly stair stepping down.
It was not clearly stepping down. It's finding support
on a 1 minute.
It's doing. Yeah.
On which one? Silver?
Silver.
Yeah. It didn't break and hold below the 9. Didn't come close to it.
Oh.
What is that green thing that's kind of dirt, moving up and down? What is that thing? It was under
it didn't hold.
Here's my point of decision is my 9 here. It didn't break and hold. It went below it, but it didn't break away from it. What do we use say? Break and hold. Keyword there being and hold.
More importantly, if I had the screen, Matt, I would show you exactly why it's got support here. You look at the wick, the last high that we just broke to get up here in the first place, okay? That entire zone is your support zone.
You talking about
you broke it. Now it's the retest.
Yeah,
this retest, you should get the support bounce.
Hi, Skyline. Good to see you. We're on TikTok. Oh, we got abysmal 2.4 thousand likes today. Come on. That's just horrible. Come on. Amount of people over here, if you each clicked 100 times, that would be plenty. Some of you need to click like 10 times that because you didn't help out the other day. Come on, get them buttons clicking. 30,000.
102.75. 102.75. 75.
You know what? We only have 10 minutes left. Coming up on the last 10 minutes of Power Hour. What usually happens the last 10 minutes?
102.75.
Look at that. I was down about $40,000.
102.75. 102.75. New high.
Look at
Silver
that.
New high.
There we go. New high.
102.75. 25 contracts.
New high.
Come on.
15
come on,
up 20. Up 20,000. There we go. Up 22,000. There we go. How much more do you want? How much more? How much more do you want?
Oh,
Up
one tick.
17,000.
Stop it.
Come on. Come on. We can go up here like this if we want to play this game, right? I can always slide my stop up, right? I don't care. We can do whatever we want. 30,000. There we go. How much more do you want me to make here? I don't know. How much are we supposed to take, Doug? Is there a limit we should take?
Come on.
I don't know. I'll just go ahead and take that 32.5. How's that? Oh, I got out just in time, Doug. Oh,
Nice.
Genius. 32.5. Woohoo! Right in front of your face. If that happened too fast for you, there will be a replay be available following the conclusion of this broadcast. If you go look at the timestamp around 3:50, you'll see that trade, or 3:49 on. You'll see what just happened right in front of your face. What are you waiting on? Come on, get that membership now. Can I jump back in here right now? Sure, I can do anything I want, right? I can go in here, bang, bang, right? There's 7,500 more. Bang. How much more do you want me to show you? Can I do this again? Well, I could, but probably wouldn't be wise right now. Let's see. We'll give it one little more college try. That wasn't a very good fill. I was a little slow on my clicking there. That's all right. If I see green, I'll get out. No, that's what I knew was going to happen. This one didn't start on the shoulder of the previous candle. Anyway, there we go. So that's how we do it. 10 minutes left in the trading day, most volatile time of power hour. This thing could go clear to the moon or it could go clear back, right? I'm going to leave this up here, just let it run, just so you can see what could possibly happen, right? During this last most volatile period. And it is Friday, right? So again, this is paper money here, but still, that's how I trade. Bang, bang. I'm just going to close it out. Questions, comments? Gary says I could take it all. All right, good. I'll take whatever.
Look at the Zoom.
I'm telling you, if there's a nickel on the ground, I'm going to pick it up.
Look at the Zoom chats. I'm like, yeah, pure savage. Can't stay out of it, can you? Can't stop, can you?
Well, whatever, you know.
Not when the setup is so clear.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not, you know.
Oh, man.
There's some dumb trades I took there, but I mean, most of them I had a reason for taking, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Look at that. 52-week high. Amazing, huh? 102.80. We were wanting just to see 100. Never would have thunk it. It went 102.80. Bang, bang. Woo! We did this all. Are you not entertained?
Are you not entertained?
Come on.
Are you not entertained?
I'll tell you. I'll tell you.
Is this not why you were here?
My real money over on this side. How much did I make over there, Doug? Let's see.
If I had to guess.
See, Doug. Pull this thing up out of the way so I can see what the heck I did here.
I obviously can't say, but
well, let's just say it starts with an 8, Doug. An 8. An 8, Doug. 2 digits. I did light trading today. Wasn't real heavy. That's okay. You did all right. Nothing to sneeze at. Usually about the salary of some other people, right? You know what I mean?
Well, it's more than I make in a year.
Oh, yeah, I don't know. I don't want to know how much you make in a year. You know, it's none of my business.
Less than that.
I don't know. I won't tell you how much I gave away. It's a lot, Doug. I gave away half of that more.
Yeah, I had
Largest
today.
loser was 41, Doug. Oh,
wow.
Yeah. I wasn't big on that one. I mean, I was only.
Oh, were you?
That ain't that many ticks. It was 100 contracts.
Oh dear. All right. Yep. Did all of that trading market structure and a couple of break of the nines.
All right. All right. Thank you all for being here today. Hope you was entertained. Hope you learned something. Who's going over to our website? Get that right now. Who's going to change your life by getting our Diamond Lifetime membership before it goes away? It will go away. It's going to go away. You only have about a week left to get it. Use promo code Mark. Get 10% off any and all memberships. Right? Well, what kind of memberships do you have, Mark? Well, right here. Look at the little flashy thing on my screen right now. Special promos, 10% off premium, 10% off the VIP. There you go. 10% off VIP gold. There you go. 10% off futures, which you're watching now, or 10% off the crypto. You can go ahead and be a crypto kitty. And you can go to our throwback sale. Right now, this doesn't apply to that, but you can get 10% off. Yes, you can get 10% off. There you go. Use code Mark. That's me. That's me. That's this guy. Mark, M-A-R-K at the exit. If you don't like me, well, you can use promo code Doug if you want. D-O-U-G, Doug. Not to be confused with Doogie. Don't do confuse it with Doogie. It's Doug. D-O-U-G. But if you don't like Doug, you can use me. You know, I'm doing this show. The Mark, M-A-R-K.
M-A-R-K.
Whoever you like.
M-A-R-K.
You don't vote. You let your money vote. Who do you like? Do you like Mark or do you like Doug? Right? Maybe you like us both. Well, you can only use one promo code. I don't think you can spell my name different and have it work. I don't think you do a combination of Drewski 8. All right, Drewski. Yeah, whatever.
$1,920 for the day, 79%.
Wow, there we go. That's how we do it around here.
Made up all my screw-ups for the month, so I'm now
there we go. That's how, you know what Matthew would say.
All right.
Good job. How's it feel to go to Weekend Green?
Outstanding.
Good.
What's that do for your mindset?
Day, the month, the year.
There you go. You think that won't make your weekend, knowing how you are? Green? It ain't about how many dollars, it's that you're green, right?
Yep.
Could be $1. That's all it'll take sometimes. That'll be a difference between being in a bad mood and being in a good mood, making one green dollar. $1 make you holla. Anyway, who's going to our website, AmericanDreamTrading.com? Get that membership. Get it, do it now. Before it goes away. A Diamond Lifetime membership will go away forever, February 1st. The ones that already have it get to keep it for the rest of their lives. The ones that don't will be paying annually or monthly or semi-annually. And if you do it monthly, it's like $850. That's $10,500. Does that sound right? Who's the math whiz here? 850 times 12 is 10,200. Oh, it's close. Right? You're going to pay
Mark,
double.
thanks again. Mark, thanks again for a great week. Thank you, everybody.
All right, have a great one.
Yeah, I'll see you next week.
All right. We are live here 3 times a day. By the way, look for some totally random pop-up sessions this weekend, time here and there. Make sure you got to bring your pets inside, right? And make sure your pets are spayed and neutered while you're at it. Winter storm, don't leave your pets outside. All right? Don't be too cruel. Bring them in. You got one out there, bring it in. Don't leave your animal. Make sure any outside animals, farm animals, anything, they have protection out of the winter storm, but we're supposed to get pretty much nationwide. Be safe out there. Make sure you have basic supplies. Check on your old elderly neighbors and relatives. Right? Don't forget about your neighbors. All right. Okay. We are live 3 times a day. Coach is live from
9 a.m. to 11 a.m. every day the market is open.
Yeah, there you go. Coach is live 9 to 11. I'm live from 2 to 4, and Don's live from 4 o'clock in the afternoon on the Aftermarket Show over on our YouTube channel, American Dream Trading, where you'll find over 3,200 free training videos for you to watch at your own convenience. I would highly recommend that you start by watching Coach's 2-minute EWO trading strategy videos. That'll get you a good base to get started, but even be better would be to invest in your own education, learn how to do this, and develop a skill that nobody can take away from you. So upon conclusion of this broadcast, all of our broadcasts, they're immediately automatically posted over to our YouTube channel, which is American Dream Trading. Make sure anybody you come in contact with till the next time we meet, that you leave lasting positive memories. There's too many people out there who want to tear others down and just try to cheer somebody else up. If you want to practice, next time you go into a retail store of any kind, when you get to the checkout, make sure you make that person laugh. Try to put a smile on their face, right? Try to encourage them. Tell them what a great job they did. Tell them they're the most beautiful person they ever seen. Whatever you want to tell them. Brighten their day. Give them a tip. I don't know if you're allowed to do that, though. I don't know, maybe you are. Anyway, try to find some way creative, brighten their day. Act crazy if you have to, right? Dress like Winnie the Pooh when you get there. I don't know. Whatever it is you want to do. Try to encourage somebody else, brighten their day. Glad you all could be here with us today. We'll see you same time, same bat channel on Monday if I don't see you before then. And there'll be probably a pretty good chance you'll see me sometime this weekend. So make sure your notification buttons are turned on for all of our ADT broadcasts. See you. Goodbye.
I'll be streaming as well. And by the way, Mark New High.